Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. This is updated version of Simple Yoga 4.8 and the previous version. Let me show you I will show you the previous version as well. But this is actually a 1 minute scalping strategy. You can use in a higher time frame as well, but this work awesome in 1 minute time frame here. Okay, here first of all I have need to show you this two indicators setting. Here you can see this is actually a trend line. Okay, a red, that means the market will go downside, and here you can see market is going downside, 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 downside. When the market is on blue side, you can see the market going upside. Okay, let's filter out this type of wave signal and you will love it. First and the second indicator, simple logo 4.8, I add one more extra thing, MA histogram, as an extra confirmation, and you will love this one also. Okay, let's combine those two indicator, and after combining those two indicator, your chart will be look like this one. Let me show you. Okay, now your indicator and your chart will be look like this one. Okay, first I have to show you either this is repainted or not. So first we need to check this one, either it's a repainted or not one. So let's check this one. I also hide the signal. Let me show you the signals. If you will show this signal, your signals will be look like this one. Here you can see this one. Okay, but we do not need filter, but I have need to show you either it's a repainted or not. So let's replay from this point. uh, okay, and we have need to check this indicator. Let's see either it's repainted or not. Whenever it's buy signal, you will see there is a entry, stop loss, it will give you the all things, but we have need to check this one. Okay, after getting buy signal, you can see your TP3, all TP3 is done. Okay, after getting this two buy second buy signal, you can see this is your entry point. If you got another buy signal, you can see your entry. Okay, it will show you all the things like this one. Okay, but we do not much concern on this type of buy and sell signal. I have my own strategy and I will show you the. Okay, here you can see this one sell signal. Okay, and let's see. Okay, this one again sell signal. Okay, you can see you have need to check either the indicator is repainted or not. You can see clearly it's a non repaint indicator. I will show you the extra thing later. Okay, now first need to check this indicator, and the indicator is repainted or not. You can see clearly it's a no repaint indicator. Okay, we will discuss the second thing later, but you have to check first this. Okay, clearly visible that is a not no repaints setup, and if you want see more, you can see there is no issue. Okay, I think that's enough, I think, and you can see indicator is not repaint. Okay, and now we have need to move on our strategy. How my strategy will work, I will show you the all things. Okay, okay, you can see clearly visible that is a no repaint setup. Okay, okay, I think that's enough. You have need to check, you check that this is a no repaint setup, and let's move further. Here you can see buy entry and your TP2, and now TP3 almost done. Okay, let's okay, now move to our strategy. Okay, your indicator will be look like this one. Now we have need to unhide the second indicator, and the second indicator will be look like this one. Let me show you. Okay, still it's loading, I think. Okay, it's loading, and wait few seconds, and the second indicator will be loading, and then we will move further. Here you can see the actually this indicator auto trend. If you will hide the auto trend signal, your indicator will be look like this one. It's best for 1 minute and 3 minute and 5 minute time frame. I will show you the results in 1 minute time frame. Here you can see this indicator will give you the RSI. This one is the RSI. Most important one is the RSI. Okay, and there are a lot of buy and sell signal. There are a lot of fire signals. So we have to filter out this type of phase signal as well. So unhide second indicator now, and your indicator it will be look like this one now. And here you can see, after getting the buy signal, you need to check that your this trend line. Here you can see this one trend line should be sorry, blue one, and it must come upside from the RSI. So this is your buy position and need to take your profit. Now let's move further. It's a blue one, that's mean that we need to focus on only buy trade. Okay, here you can see you got the buy signal, but we do not need to concern on buy signal. We need to concern on this type of buy signal. So let's hide this signal. Okay, now here you can see you got the buy signal. Here we hide this auto trend signal, and we need only concern on this type of buy. When you got the buy signal and candle must come inside the RSI like this one, this is your buy entry, and you can see you got some good profit here. Let's move further again, and here you can see another one, and you can see you got some good profit again. And let's move further again. Now here you can see a red one, RSI is also red one, and you can also help the MA histogram. And you can see this one is your entry point, and you can see you got some good profit again. Okay, now we have need to move further, and we have need to wait for another sell signal or buy signal. Okay, let's see the results in gold. It's a very simple strategy. Just need to focus on the trend line, buy and sell signal, and the RSI. Okay, when got the sell signal come below from the RSI, this is your entry point, and you can see you got some good profit again. Here you can see RSI a candle below from the trend line and the RSI. So this is your entry point, and you can see you got another good profit here. Okay, now let's see for more, and here you can see this one. You can go for the buy entry, and you can see our RSI is also a green one, and upside from the RSI candle is upside from the RSI, and you can see you got some good profit again. Okay, let's see some let me show you more entries. Here you can see that is another good entry, and you can you need to book only small profit, do not be greedy. Here you can see this one again, sell signal, and candle is below from the RSI and the trend line. So this is your entry point, you can book your small profit again. Okay, let's move furthermore. Here you can see that one, here you can see that one. Okay, let me show you more entries. And okay, now this one, here you can see the buy entry. Okay, this one buy entry. Okay, that is another good one entry, that is another buy entry and good one. Okay, and you can see there are a lot of sell signal, buy signal, but you need to follow step like candle must come upside from the trend line and the RSI, then the buy position, and when the candle is below from the RSI and the trend line, this will be your sell entry. Here you can see there are a lot of buy entries, and almost all the all trades are profitable. Okay, like me here show you something more. Here you can see candles are below from the RSI and trend line, so this is your sell position, and you can see you got some good profit here. And again buy position, you can see you got some good profit again. Here you can see this is sell position, and you can see you got some good profit again. Buy position, and you can see here you can see this is another small profit here. on in the 1 minute time frame you cannot expect a lot of profit. You only need to focus on small profit, consistent profit, that's all. Okay, just need to focus on small profit, consistent profit, that's it. Okay, need to focus as histogram will also help you out. Okay, like here you can see this one exactly help you, and you can see like here you can see this one buy entry histogram give help you and give you awesome profit. Okay, I show you the results in gold and BTC. You can use this strategy in all time frame, in all pairs, in all markets, and in all time frames this strategy work. Okay, I will show you the higher time frame in as well. Okay, here you can see awesome, awesome, that is awesome. Okay, you can see getting sell signal below, and you can see awesome entry. Okay, again this one exact entry, and you can see you got some good profit. Okay, now at this point you can see clearly visible, and then move. Here you can see another one good one. Okay, and that is another one buy entry, and you can see that is another good one entry. Okay, now you can understand the whole concept of this two indicator. Okay, and I give you the all explanation, and hopefully you will love it. And if you need the indicator that work awesome in the BDC in the 15-minute time frame, then I have need to show you. I show you the higher time frame as well. Here you can see in the higher time frame this strategy also work awesome. Okay, there is no issue, you can see clearly visible that it is work awesome. Okay, in the higher time frame this is also working. In the 5-minute time frame you can see. Okay, it's working awesome. Here you can see there are a lot of buys entries, and you can see this is working awesome. Okay, sell position you can see you got some good profit again. Here sell position and lot of sell position. Here this one that is awesome entry. Okay, and here you can see. Okay, now I have need to one show you the 15-minute strategy. Go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, in the 15-minute time frame hide this indicator, and unhide this indicator, and hide. Let me show you this. Okay, I have need to. Okay, this one is the most important one. Okay, it will give you the a simple over D flow. Actually it will give you the signal, and you have need to only follow the signal. Like here signal. Okay, and need to take profit here. Signal I have need to show you either the indicator is repainted or not. Let's see. Hide this indicator. Simple होगा 4.8, and we have need to check this indicator either the indicator is repainted or not. Let's see. Okay, we have need you have need to focus on this buy and sell signal. Okay, need to focus. Okay, let me I will show you. I will also explain. Okay, there is no issue. Okay, sell signal here. You got the sell signal, and let's see the results here. That is awesome. Okay, move more, and it will give you the more entry. Okay, here you can see another sell entry here. From this point you got another entry, sell entry. Okay, and let's see. Okay, come on. Okay, and okay, that awesome, this is your buy entry. Okay, let's see the results of this buy entry. Okay, move. This is awesome indicator, man, this is unbelievable. Okay, let's move further. Okay, We are okay. We are looking for the signal, and okay, now here you got the cell signal, and let's see. Okay, here you can see you got the buy signal, so you have need to book your small profit here. Now here you have need to open your buy position, and it's give you the results here. Okay, you can see this indicator is now repaint, and unbelievable results of this indicator. And if you need indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp, and you can also contact me on my Telegram. Remember, write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Gmail simplehoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love it. And any question, any query, you can ask me. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.